Pane chitiko chiri shocking chatikuona chiri kuitika munyika yeMozambique. Chatikuona kuti aiwa the situation has now been tense. Tichiona kuti aiwa Mozambique army aiwa yoholda the press conference. Chitiko chashamisa vanhu chisana pina mashoko anoda nyogwa muzimu pana patononyora chiti Mozambique army holds press conference. Not bo subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipinda panapa pahendo yasidi yachizungu anonyora chiti today 3 p.m. Maputo time, the Minister of National Defense will give a press conference about the current situation in the country. Note that the opposition is mobilizing for a big protest in Maputo on 7 November, where thousands expected to join. Aiwa situation iritika Mozambique. Wakuna opposition avasikuda zvekutamba varikuti you have violated our rights, we have stolen our vote, we are never going to tolerate that. Vachiti toda kuratidzira kuti aiwa current leader aripo aiwa abve kuisiwe leader watakaelecta. Tona pamberi panoposta mapictures amuri kuona anyorwa chinzi Mozambicans are very creative. This video from Mucuba, Zambezia province. Protesters are crossing the river as police decided to block the bridge. Meanwhile, Frelimo keeps using old tactics, using the police to kill. And post a picture of Mozambicans, they are crossing the river, but not with my bridges, my Buddha post, they've been blocked. Avario, I told you my Purisa, Iowa, Ekoko, Vanoya, Vachiura, citizens, Vachiva capture, Vachiva my rights. To note, these citizens, Vajam Kashans, I will not block my bridges, is we can cross the rivers. Mashoka tona amba developments at Witka Mozambique. Tuze mafunzo aim to deva msoro pechitiko each. Pina comment section medu, so subscribe or like, and turn the bell icon.